Welcome back, my dear students, to the RTP discussion. CA Intermediate, November 2022, Cost and Management Accounting. Let us discuss question number 9, which is related to process costing. SM Private Limited manufactures their products in 3 consecutive processes. So they have given the process details as process A, process B and process C. And out of these processes, that is the transfer of output to the next process, 60% to the next element and 40% to warehouse for direct sale. So here at the process A stage, 40% will be a direct sale and 60% will move on to process B. And in process B, 50-50 each. Process C, 100% will be for sale. In each process, there is a weight loss of 2%. Weight loss. Weight loss can be due to evaporation or other natural elements which can create a weight loss. In weight loss, and they are scrap of 8%. Normally, this is a normal loss case. So, total, say normal loss, if we can calculate, it is 10%. But for weight loss, we can't get a scrap value because there is nothing is there. Weight has been lost, maybe due to the time or evaporation or any other factor. Is it not? So, the realizable scrap value is 2 per ton, 4 per ton and 6 per ton. So, very important element. Now, materials used. In process A, 1000 ton. So out of that 1000 ton, 8% is loss, scrap, and 2% is weight loss. In 2%, there cannot be any realization. Okay, so only the units will be, or the kgs or the tons will be lost. Clear? Great, my dear students. Rate per ton is given. Direct wages, direct expenses are given. We need to prepare process A, B, and C account. Let us discuss the answer, then I will provide you other informations in process costing also. Great learning. Now, let us move on to see the solution. See, my dear students, one more thing I would like to reiterate here. The institute is giving wonderful materials. I request all the students who are watching this, please go through the institute material which has got abundance of material. So, if you go through that itself, you have a great control over the topic as well as you can perform well in your paper. So, please go through. Yeah. Now, process A account. So, 1000 tons which are there and rate per ton is given. Multiply that 20,000 and these expenses are given directly. These are all given directly. So, we don't need to find it out. Here, multiplication is required because rate per ton is given. Weight loss, see here. 20% no scrap value, and 80 scrap value 2, 3, 4 we have read in the question. Okay, you refer back to the question, it will be easy for you. So automatically it is multiplied like that. Okay, and process B, here the bifurcation, 60-40 bifurcation, the difference, because total is 10,000 and the bifurcation is calculated. Now how the value is calculated? The cost minus scrap value, the left hand side balance minus scrap value divided by the actual number of units. That is without considering abnormal loss or abnormal gain. That is total units minus normal loss units, where you will get cost per ton, then multiply 540 into 30 and 360 into 30 gives you this value. Hope I am clear? Great, student. Now, let us go through process B. Now, in process B, you see, in process B, same method. So, 540 only will come here and materials are added as per the question. Okay. So, materials are added as per the question. So, 540 will come. This 540 will come. This 540 comes from where? It is from here. This is what. So, this 540 will come. And the value will be same. 260 material added, they have given. And the same way, see here, weight loss. Weight loss, 2%. Okay. Weight loss, 2%. Please remember, 2% of 800. 2 percentage of 800. Please remember that. Weight loss. Okay. Great. Scrap value 8 percentage of 800, which is 64, and which has a value is there, which is already given in the question. And remaining thing 50-50 they have given the transfer. So 360 straight away cost per ton is calculated and written. Very clear? Great. Because these kind of problems we have done several in our normal discussion. Is it not? Now final process C account, where you have 360 units transferred and 140 units introduced and all other cost. Then scrap values also find out, and then here you see 450 is the value of finished goods. Warehouse final, it will go to warehouse, and from there selling happens. So this is how the cost of production per ton is also calculated. Say every process same calculation, same method. Total cost minus scrap divided by number of units, total units minus normal loss in units. This is how cost per ton is calculated. Hope I am clear, students. Great. Now in process costing, apart from this, what are other elements are there? You would have learned the equivalent units of production, where you prepare the equivalent units of production statement. The cost apportionment statement also you will prepare, and element wise cost also you will prepare. Basic 3 statements minimum you will prepare. Apportionment of cost. Okay, these statements you will prepare during equivalent units of production. There are 2 methods are there. One is FIFO, one is weighted average method. In FIFO method, when you write the opening and the units introduced will be taken for output calculation. So in opening also units will be there, and in units introduction also closed units will be there. That is finished goods will be there. But while calculating equivalent units of production under weighted average method, these 2, opening and units introduced, are merged and final output is only given. So that is the first adjustment you should remember. Any normal loss you will not consider for the material, labor and production overhead, the percentage of calculation. Any abnormal gain, everything is 100%. Even abnormal loss only they will give material this much percentage completed, labor and overhead this much percentage completed. Sometimes they may give conversion cost this much percentage of completion. So labor and overhead same amount of percentage of completion. Accordingly, you will calculate equivalent units of production. These kind of questions we have done in depth in our regular classes. And another one of the important element is inter-process profit. There is only one illustration is given in the study material. Please refer that illustration carefully. How the cost is calculated, how the profit element is calculated. There you prepare statement as total, cost and profit. 3 columns you will prepare. So you have to be very careful in preparation and writing, and the cost calculation at prime cost level. So you have to bifurcate those things and record each element of transactions. Okay, so these points you should remember. Hope it's clear, students. Thank you. Have a great day.